Are you ready for the biggest shift in independent work in decades? Artificial intelligence isn't replacing opportunity, it's multiplying it. Across industries, AI is creating new roles that demand human insight, creativity, and leadership. This is your chance to move beyond uncertainty and claim a future where your skills and vision matter. Today, we'll explore how AI is opening doors for independent contractors, freelancers, consultants, and even those with side hustles. We will look at how you can step forward with AI and with confidence. AI is no longer a buzzword, it's a business imperative. Companies worldwide are racing to integrate AI into workflows, but most lack the expertise to do it well. That gap is your opportunity. Independent professionals who understand AI implementation, governance, and creative applications are in demand. This isn't about coding. It's about solving problems, guiding change, and delivering measurable results. Businesses struggle to move from AI pilots to full-scale adoption. They need experts who can redesign workflows, train teams, and ensure ROI. As an independent contractor, you can offer packaged services, 90-day transformation plans, automation audits, and change management strategies. These roles pay premium rates because they deliver strategic impact. With AI comes responsibility. Companies must meet governance standards and mitigate risks. Independent specialists in AI audit and compliance are essential. You'll help organizations align with frameworks, document controls, and build trust. These engagements command rates of $170 to $200 per hour because they protect reputations and prevent costly mistakes. AI systems need rigorous evaluation. Red teaming and prompt security testing are emerging specialties. If you have analytical skills and curiosity, you can lead safety assessments and design evaluation pipelines. This work pays $110 to $175 per hour and positions you as a guardian of responsible AI. AI introduces new vulnerabilities, prompt injection, data leaks, and model exploits. Independent contractors who combine cybersecurity expertise with AI awareness are in high demand. Fractional CISO services and AI threat modeling can earn $130 to $200 per hour. Protecting data isn't optional, it's mission critical. Data fuels AI, but privacy laws tighten daily. Synthetic data creation and de-identification services are booming. If you can build secure, compliant data pipelines, you'll offer something few can deliver. Expect rates of $120 to $190 per hour for specialized privacy engineering. Content isn't going away, it's evolving. AI accelerates production, but human judgment ensures quality and compliance. Independent contractors who manage AI-assisted content pipelines for blogs, video, and documentation can earn $75 to $120 per hour. This is perfect for those with writing or creative backgrounds. Companies need targeted AI training, not generic courses. If you can design role-specific workshops and coaching programs, you'll become indispensable. These engagements often pay $100 to $175 per hour and build long-term client relationships. Teaching others to thrive in an AI world is a business in itself. Roles requiring AI skills earn 28% to 43% more than traditional equivalents. As an independent contractor, that premium grows further because businesses pay for flexibility and expertise. Whether you choose governance, workflow design, or creative AI services, the financial upside is clear and sustainable. AI isn't taking your future, but rather it's giving you options. You can stay reactive, or you can lead. These opportunities reward adaptability, problem-solving, and vision, the qualities you already have. The question isn't whether AI will change work. It's whether you'll seize the chance to make it work for you. If you want to become an independent contractor, freelancer, consultant, or take your side hustle to the next level, click on the link in the description below to learn more about our program. Don't wait for change. Create it. Your future is independent, AI-powered, and full of possibility. Take the first step now.